Kung may kilala kang successful na tao, wag na wag mo silang gagayahin. So, okay. Explain ko sa inyo. Most likely babagsak ka, most likely mag-fail kapag ginaya mo sila. Misconception ng tao ngayon, pag may nakita silang yumaman, for example, yumaman sa pagbebenta ng real estate, yumaman sa pagpapatayo ng coffee shop, yumaman sa traditional business, yumaman sa pag-YouTube, ginagaya nila. Hindi dapat ganun, kapatid. Kasi magkaiba kayo ng foundation, magkaiba kayo ng skills, magkaiba kayo ng kinalakihan. So wag mo silang gagayahin sa part kung saan sila naging successful. Ang gagayahin mo sa kanila is yung mindset and dedication. Paano nila naabot yung success na yon. And most likely, ang sagot yan, almost the same. You can ask them why, bakit nila ginawa yun, ba't sila nag-push, ba't nila iniwan yung corporate world, bakit sila pinasok yung career kung nasan man sila ngayon. Those are the questions that you can ask, and whatever the answer is, most likely yun yung kailangan mo para masimulan mo yung journey mo to success. Almost same yan. Mapapansin nyo meron mga content creators kumakausap ng mga millionaires to ask them how they get their first million, bakit sila pumasok sa ganung industry and career, and their answers are almost the same. It's about mindset, passion, perseverance, resilience, and all. Huwag mong gagayahin saan sila naging successful kasi magkaiba kayo ng kinalakihan. Magkaiba kayo ng skills na inaral. So, most likely, mahihirapan ka. I'm not saying it's impossible for you to be successful in that career, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be hard. Alright? So, if there's an easiest way, or not easiest way, if there's a better way for you to be successful, doon ka mag-push. And my answer to that, hindi mo alam kung saan, sinagot ko na to sa unang video. Find a niche, something that you love, something that you can do for your in your entire life, and that skill and that thing that you're doing, para masimulan mo yan, kailangan mo ng sagot dun sa mga successful na tao, bakit nila pinush yun, at ano yung biggest why nila. So, kung hindi pa malinaw sa iyo yun, just let me know. Again, wag mong gagayahin yung kung saan sila naging successful. Ang gayahin mo yung mindset nila. Bakit sila nagpatuloy, bakit sila nag-push, bakit sila sumugal. Okay? Sana malinaw.